all those limitations and conditions that have been pre-programmed from our childhood or that is through our DNA, we can get rid of all of that and just be with what feels light, what feels love. Like when I say love is all that is, it feels good for me, it feels real. But when someone says like, oh, you're bad, you gotta pay for all of this that you did, that's dance, you know. So it's like recognizing from your internal guidance system the levels of energies that you are taking and that you're allowing, or that you're allowing, or that you're not, you know.